Welcome to Big Daddy Storytime. We're reading When Your Lion Needs a Bath. Hey, could you see the lion there? He's needed a bath, huh? And there's the bath behind him. Would you like to read a story about him needing a bath? You would? Okay, let's get started with this fun story. Uh-oh, someone's smelly. Could you see the lion there smiling? It's like he's pretty smelly, huh? Like, not he needs a bath. Does your lion need a bath? Oh, the boy's waving his sign there. Yes, he does. That's the lion, that smelly, who needs a bath, huh? That's exactly right. Okay, let's get to the next page and find out what happens. The only way to give a lion a bath is to fool him. You'll have to be a little sneaky, says the boy. Let's start with a wind up mouse. Lions are cats, right? And cats love chasing mice. Can you see the lion there chasing that mouse? You can see that? Great job. Well, the boy says that didn't work either. That didn't get the lion in the tub so we can get him all nice and smell good, not the smelly that he is. Okay, let's go to the next page and see next what the boy does. Perhaps you can tempt him with a tasty treat. How about a brownie, banana, butterscotch berry, marshmallow, marmalade, strawberry, smothered caramel covered peanut butter, double dipped chocolate chip, triple whipped, jelly bean, sundae supreme? Too much, you think? Nah, probably not, huh? All right, try this. Tie a feather on your fishing line and cast it. And cast it where though? Oh, into the tub. The tub that we're going to wash our lion. That's exactly right. Okay, let's go to the next page. Quick, he says, now that the lion's in the tub, well, great job for getting the lion in the tub, but we got to be really quick here. Sneaky, squeaky clean. We got to get that lion squeaky clean now. Can you see the boy there getting? Not the lion is now because of the Sunday and then the casting of the trick, the treat I should say, into the tub. The lion is in the tub. Great job, but now we need to get him squeaky clean. Can you see the boy there getting the lion squeaky clean? You can? Great job, my friends. The lion's having a fun time. Well, kinda, but it's good for him because he needs to be clean, huh? That's exactly right. Uh-oh. You probably should have closed the door, the boy says. Oh, here comes the lion. Wow, he's coming out of the tub, and the boy is chasing him with his towel. Can you see that, my friends? Great job. I wonder where the lion's going to go. Let's go to the next page. Uh-oh, looks like your lion needs another bath. The lion ended up in a mud puddle. Uh-oh, that means we're going to have to clean our lion again. Squeaky clean, that is. And then when the boy tries to find the lion, he slips in the mud too. And the boy says, and so do you. He says, boy, we're all going to need to be cleaned up and squeaky clean, huh? That's exactly right. Okay, my friends, what have we learned? Well, we learned from Lion that bathing a lion is a big job, isn't it? That was a big job. It was a fun but big job. Have a splendid day, my friends. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Story Time. God bless.